Monkey box. Monkey box.
Monkey blocks are back for me.
Dig!
Explore the new trail.
What?
Place in the back of the left and start. Wait, can you stop rolling? I'm not gonna be for the video. Okay.
Wait, what?
Monkey blocks are back for me. Explore the new trail. Place in the back of the nice tag store. And start building. Grab the dragon armor weapon to shrink down and guard your castles, forts, and more.
Okay, I'm going to do it! No, wait. No, grab this, grab. Your favorite!
I need this.
Oh, wait, do you move that over here?
I didn't buy it.
Guys, what is that? Wait, over here! Wait, what is this? Monkey blocks?
Oh yeah, because it's 6,000, you're right.
Can I buy it? Bro, this is net you gotta buy it in the monkey box place. Okay, so first, we got the hat. We got this. Okay, wait for me!
Okay, so they have this. Oh yeah.
Yo!
Let's go right. Right, because right is always right.
Whoa! Yo!
Yes, I'm already gonna.
They brought them back! How do you buy things?
Wait, what's this?
What
for?
the?
Oh, you can build stuff.
Why I can't buy it? How do you buy?
Guys, look at this. Look, it's a shredder.
Guys, you can't buy it!
Yo.
Guys, you cannot buy it!
Yo.
It doesn't let you.
It's infinite stuff. Wait, see, it's infinite stuff.
Oh, guys! Guys, on your arm!
Yeah, they're trampolines. Trampolines are back.
Wait.
Look at this gorilla. Guys.
How do I clean my own?
Oh gosh. Wait, look at this. What's this? Guys, look at this.
What's
this?
this?
Is so cool.
What is this? Create a new private room to know the empty table.
What's this?
Scan
Wait,
one.
look at these ropes.
Thick
Look, it's
scan.
tied.
Yes, whoa!
It's tied.
Guys, look!
Oh, stairs, ladders. Ladders.
Wait, what? How did you get this?
I don't know. I was right there.
This from the castle pack.
Guys,
Who bought
I'm
it?
Building something.
Did you guys buy it?
Wait.
Guys, where did you guys get it? They have it here for free? I don't know.
Guys, look at me.
Guys, I didn't know they had it for free.
Yo, Donald, this is so cool.
Bro, I'm so happy I don't know what to build. I just did a glitch with my...
Wait, what
bro.
are these?
What the heck? Wait, I just did a glitch. My controls are here. Wait, guys, can you take this off here? Wait, try taking this off.
Wait, how did you do that? How did you do
Oh,
that?
it's yours. Just put something. It's yours. We can't take it off because it's yours.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to take this off. I want to take this off.
No, that's your skin. That's your knot. That's your knot. That's where you build. That's your place.
Oh, it's so tiny.
How did I claim? I'm going in here.
You're sick. Hey, bro, I'm stuck in my menu. Oh, finally.
Ooh. Whoa! Wait, what's this? Mute. Bro, look at these monkeys. Look at those monkeys up there. Ah! So this is actually pretty cool. Bro, this is all free. What's all free? Wait.
Okay, let's go. Let's go in the center, because there's more room in the center.
How do you connect your own stand? I can't pick it.
Wait, let's build a pyramid. Let's build a pyramid.
No, I'm gonna make something
else.
else.
House.
Let's see.
Okay, meanwhile, I'm gonna have some. Tiny trees.
Oh, this is my stand. This is mine. Guys, this is my stand. This is mine. T-Mango, I found how you can get stands. I know how to get your own.
How?
So put your block here. Put like whatever you want. Nick your block.
Oh, I already have it.
Yeah, T-Mangy. Mine's over here. It might not. What should I make?
Let me make it smaller quick.
No, we still have to glitch. Oh, it's right here. Oh, can I have this back?
Wait, how do you use this?
Use what?
This is so tiny. Oh, I think you can make it bigger. Let's slide. I found a
do you-
slide. We can make a slide house too,
Wait.
or something like that.
Bro, I want to buy this, but you can't.
Wait, where's that tree at?
Guys, you can't buy it. It doesn't say.
That's how you can make.
Oh.
I'm back.
I guess you're gonna have.
Hey guys, how do you open these ropes?
I don't know. Put it